Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are well. So today, as you know, our topic is fraction to decimal. So we have some question regarding fractions. So we have to convert it into decimal. Okay. So the first question is solve the following. So part A is 17 upon 3. So we have a numerator 17 and a denominator 3. So we have to convert it into decimal. Firstly, we have to do this 3 here and 17 here because the denominator should be on the divisor side and numerator should be in the dividend side. Okay, we have to read the table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, now we have to subtract it. So the answer is 2. Again we have to read the table, but it is smaller than the divisor, so we have to add the decimal point and 0 here. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. So 6 is our the answer. So again we have to subtract. So what will be the remaining? Again 0. Again we have to add 0. And what will be the answer? 6 3s are 18. So 18 again here, and we have to subtract it, and what we got the answer, which is only 2. So the answer will be 5.66 after this question, fraction into decimal. Okay, now it's time for part B. So the question is for part B is very simple. 18 upon 5. So again we have to convert it into decimal. So 5 should be here, 18 should be here. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So 3 should be here and 15 should be here. If we subtract this, what will be the answer? It's 3. Now 5 is a bigger number, this is smaller number, so we have to write a decimal point here and 0 here. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 6 are 30. Okay, so the answer will be 3.6. So I hope you understand this question. Moving towards part C. So the question for the part C is again very easy, which is 30 upon 7. So again we have to do this. 7 should be the divisor, 30 should be the dividend. Again we are reading the table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 4s are 28. If we subtract this, answer will be the 2. 2 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number, so we have to add decimal point here. Again 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 threes are 21. So 21 is bigger number, so it's correct to write 2 here and 14 here. Okay, the remaining part is, if we subtract it, is 6. Okay, so again we have to draw a 0 here. 7 ones are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. Okay, 7 8s are 56. Okay, the remaining part is 4. Okay, so the answer is 4.28. Okay, now moving towards the last example, which is D. So the question is 50 upon 9. Again we have to divide it. 9 should be the divisor, 50 should be inside. So we easily said that 9 fours are 9 fives are, sorry, 9 fives are 45. Okay, and it should be subtracted. What is remaining? Only 5. Again we have to place a decimal point and again 0. 9 fives are 45. Again we have to subtract it, answer will be the 5. Again we have to put 0 here, and 9 5s are 45. Again if we subtract this, answer will be 5. So we can see that answer will be 5.55. Very easy questions. So we have done it. We done fraction to decimal. So this is fraction, we convert it into decimal. Again this is fraction, we convert it into decimal. Okay, I hope you enjoy lesson. Allah Hafiz.